I actually attribute a lot of what I'm doing now to an online game called Entropia Universe, which very few people, if any, will have heard of. It's like an online MMO universe, online multiplayer game, but it was the first online game in the world to have a fixed dollar economy for virtual items. So your in-game money and your in-game items and things of that nature had a fixed US dollar value. So you could actually earn money playing the game.
Wow.
And this has been around 15, 16 years now. It's a Swedish company called Mindark that developed the game. So I've been playing this game since I was 13, 14, really long time. And I was obsessed with the idea of being able to earn money through playing games when I was a kid. I thought that was the coolest thing in the world. Before, obviously, we have Fortnite champions and all these people now that earn millions of dollars. You know, that economy was the way to do it. So weirdly enough, you know, the in-game items I had and all the land and armor and guns and bullets and mining equipment and all that type of stuff was all worth real money. So to me, obviously now in the Bitcoin and crypto and blockchain space, the concept for a lot of people that you can have a digital coin that's worth real money is still a quite bizarre thing people are coming to terms with right now. But I'd actually been working with that mindset since I was 13, 14. So just because it wasn't called Project Entropia Dollars anymore, it was now called Bitcoin, that didn't make a difference to me because I understood that digital things could have a real world value. So I'm ever thankful for that game, just because it was so ahead of its time and it's still operating today. But it's quite niche, it's quite small. They have to manage the economy quite delicately. So it's free to play. I suggest anyone wants to go out there and have some fun. It's a cool thing. You can have some shops and some land areas and, you know, set up businesses and crafting stores. And it's its own little micro world, which is really, really cool.
Wow.
But yeah, through that, I think I got quite familiar with understanding online monies, and that really set me up well, if nothing more than conceptually, for what I do now, which obviously has been quite pivotal, I guess.